I think it's in all of us to want to have an adventure, to not know all the details and see how things play out, and just have fun with the unknown. So when you have good friends, it's always an adventure. This is what you get for making last minute decision to actually go wheeling a weekend. You arrive at the closest cheap gas station at 11:50 and you're still filling up gas. So on this adventure, I'm on a late night drive trying to catch up to some friends waiting for me at Ocotillo Wells for a weekend of wheeling and camping out in the desert before the season is over and the temps get too hot for us. Good morning, everybody. This is the morning after coming in from a very late drive coming out to camp. Well, at least I got here to everybody. So, it's just the morning at camp. Let's see what this day is going to hold. Not too far from camp was the Truck Haven 4x4 training area. Located in Ocotillo State Vehicle Recreational Area, just west of the Salton Sea, the training area has a variety of obstacles for you to go through to get used to your rig. All the obstacles vary in their difficulty in the area. While some are challenging to those who are new to off-roading and in their stock rigs, showing the shortcomings of their rigs, and testing their nerves as new drivers, while others are meant to be difficult for seasoned drivers in their built rigs. Messing around in the area is a good learning experience for everyone who goes, but it's also an easy way for all your friends to make fun of the first person who goes into an obstacle. But after messing around all morning, my friends and I wanted to go explore more. Because surrounding the training grounds is the wider recreational area. With over 80,000 acres to ride through and a landscape that varies, you really can't go wrong with just driving out there and exploring. We actually ended up spending a few hours roaming the hills. Eventually, we decided to head back to camp and check on a few things and get dinner started for us.
What are you making tonight?
Home fries. So potato, bacon, onions, and
Wow, that looks bomb. If I was gonna cook, if we're ever going on excursions, we should cover the cost of the foods.
Yeah, agree. If someone wants to volunteer to be the cookie, go for it.
You okay with that, brother?
sure.
Then we can distribute the load easier. But the person can't bail out. You gotta be committed.
That would suck.
Right?
You know those sliders? I'm cutting them back off.
He's gonna show up right over your house.
And I'm thinking someone's trying to steal my cats, and I'm like, this fool took my sliders back.
You don't show up, bitch, it's what happens.
In the morning, the whole camp had a pretty late start, but after some breakfast and some cleaning, we eventually did get into the rigs for a run. Since it was our last day, we wanted to change our pace and get into something different. The canyons around Ocotillo, like the one we're in, can run exceptionally deep with walls going up 30 to 60 feet at a time, completely dwarfing our rigs. And even some of these canyons have some cool features. We got to the cave that's in this literal side of the canyon. So let's go check it out. Oh. So all of these things are just eroded in mud. Yeah, if that goes, this thing could come down on us.
Oh yeah.
So let's be careful about that.
Nah, I'd probably just be like half.
Yeah, I just don't want the rest of it coming down on top of us. Are you sure your dog's not part mountain goat? Like, look at him.
Get to the top and then you gotta like a view.
Do we want to go check it out? How much further up do we got? Because we're all turned around already. It's hot.
We can go. How much longer is it? Like, what, a few more minutes? Yeah. Okay. We're already like halfway through. All right. Let's go.
Alright. And so we got back in our rigs and continued forward. Looking for this view, we had one last challenge to do. A rather tight and off-camber hill climb. But I think for the view, it was worth the effort. Thanks for coming with us for a weekend in Ocotillo. Till next time.